Today we are going to know the process elaboration of a book with the prison company. First, we'll talk with the production manager, Irene Cordova.
Now, the book we're printing here was 320 pages. The number of pages is important because when you're making a book, you print it in sections. So, with a book like this, we're printing in 10 sections. Which section have to a 320-page book. So, here we are using a B1 printing press. First of all, the operator pours in water into the machine, so it covers its place, a rollers, and the paper. Very large sheets of paper. As you can see, it goes into the printing press, which printing the page onto the paper.
So, it does all 32 pages at once, right?
That's right. The machine prints 16 pages on one side, turns the paper over, and prints 17 pages on the other side. So yeah, 22 pages.
Continue with the operation manager, Marco Vicuña. How fast does it go?
Well, in an hour, this machine will do about 10,000 sheets. So, when the paper emerges from the press, it's ready for the next stage, which is folding.
Folding the large sheets, you mean?
That is it. So we put the sheets into the machine, which folds them in file, and then folds them again and again.
So that's 4 folds?
Yes, and if you fold a sheet of paper 4 times, you will end up with a 32-page section.
So, how do you get the page in the right order?
Good question. Yes, obviously page I needs to come before page 2, then page 3, and so on. Now, when you see a large unfolded sheet, it looks like random page all over the place, but in fact, we arrange the page so that when they are folded 4 times, they end up in the right order.
Now, the production supervisor, Jocelyn Anastasio, will continue with the explaining.
Well, it is just a formula that you follow. Another thing is as paper passes through the folding machine. It cuts a little knot into the spine, the back of the section. That's actually quite important, but I'll come back to that later. So, we print and fold the 10 sections of the book, one after the other. And each of the 10 sections is given a letter, so the first section is A, the second section is B, third is C, and so on. So, the next step is all the folded sections go to the gathering machine.
And that put all the sections?
That's right. You have the 10 sections, A to J, in front of the gathering machine. Then the machine picks up an A section, then B section, and so on, and puts together a complete set. Now, does anyone know what we call
a book block?
Right. The sects call it a book block, and it's basically just a very crude book. It isn't glued. There is not covered. It is not trimmed around the edges.
Right. Now the head of the design department, Anthony Cadena.
Hi. Well, what's happening next is the machine wraps the books, blocks, and runs it over very hot glue. Or the glue goes into the notches and then the machine attaches the cover to the book block.
Right, so the glue holds everything together?
Exactly, a less section, then in the case and the covers.
How hot is the glue?
Or it's about 260 degrees.
Celsius?
Celsius, yes. So it cools down pretty quickly, and the book moves along a conveyor belt slowly with The glue cools down and hardens. Then instructs into walls collect the three knife timer, and the timer cooks on the edge of the book glue.
So the top at the bottom.
And the right hand side, yes. So the timer gives the book its final seize and then it's ready to be packed.
Thanks for the production department, Irene Córdoba, Anthony Cadena, Jocelyn Anastasio, and Marco Vicuña.